Okay, we'll start with the next one. Can you all see the screen, all of you? Okay. Yeah, Lemula, why are you always late, Lemula? You, Mariana. No, not only now, every day you're late. How many times to send messages to attend on time? Weekly once, you'll be on time. Remaining 4 or 5 days, late. Okay, we'll start this question. Homework question, did you all get the answer right? Did you all check that? Whoever had sent, get the answer right? Okay, students respond. Okay, what about Adia, Charisha? Look here, eighth question, x square plus 18x minus 40. Minus 40 should be on the right hand side. Okay, Joanna and Lemula, what's the formula for quadratic equation? Hmm. There is no minus, why always tell minus? What is that bx square? Lemula, if you don't know, you tell me, you don't know, I'll teach. Shouldn't give wrong values. There's ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Fine. If you don't know, let me know, students. I'll teach. Don't give some wrong values. Minus b square as you'll wish. So this is the formula. Ax square plus bx plus c. Fine. Ivania, can you see the screen? Okay. 18th question. It's already solved. Look, fine. Look here. How do you remember this formula, Joanna? Can you tell me? How did I tell you to remember? What are the three alphabets given? A, B, and A, B, C, and both are positive, right? Both are positive, and both A and B has x. The first one has degree 2. The second will have degree 1. Okay. Remember like this, students. X square, x, and there is no x here. This is the concept. Fine. Look here. X square. The degree is 2. X to the power of 1, x to the power of 0. Can you tell me the degrees here? What's the degree for x2? X square? 2. And for x1, the degree is 1. It goes on decreasing. What is x to the power of 0? Anything to the power of 0 is 1. That's the reason here there is no degree. C into 1 is 1. Remember like this. X2, x1 and nothing. No x there. Is it clear, all of you all? So what does this C mean? A square plus bx plus c. What does this C mean? C means constants. Fine. So the number should always be in the last. Degree 2 in the first with degree 1 in between and number in the last. Okay, I'll solve the ninth question. Look at the ninth one. Look at the ninth question. X square plus 17 is equals to 18x. Good evening, Mariana. Why are you late, Mariana? Why every day you're late? Every day I have to send a message. What, every day conduct at 6:30? Why, what's the problem? When you're not feeling well? Okay. Fine. Look at the ninth question, students. X square plus 17. You want to attend or what, Mariana? You can attend, right? Ninth question, students. This is the equation given. How will you all rearrange this, Joanna and Lemula? What should be first? X square. Next, what should we write? 17 or 18? According to the formula, ax square plus bx plus c, which one should be after degree 2, Lemula? See, if you're not interested, you don't attend, Lemula. There's no point in attending, students. You'll anyhow end up getting less marks. You're not practicing, not sending homework, giving wrong answers. How many times to explain? After x square, which one has degree? 17 or 18? So if 18 goes this side, minus x plus 17 is equals to 0. Now, how do you use product and sum rule? Take the first and last. You get 17x square. Tell me the factors of 17. There's only one factor, right? 1 into. So which combination, like plus minus, will give you minus 18x? You should get this middle term. Plus 1 minus 17, add this, what do you get? Add this, Lemula. What do you get when you add? What is plus 1 minus 17? Is it 18? Joanna, can you tell me the answer? How do you solve? How do you solve this question? This is the basic type. If you don't know this, you won't be able to solve this entire exercise. If you tell the same thing, how is it correct? What is plus 1 minus 17? What is plus into minus? Hmm? Minus 16. Do we need minus 16 here in between? Then how do you solve 18 minus 18? You have to get minus 18. The factors are 1 into 7. Yesterday you were absent. What about day before yesterday? Were you there? Yeah, day before yesterday I taught this, Joanna. Tell me, what do you get? See, factor is 1 and 17. We should get minus 18. So what are the signs you have to add? Minus 1 into minus 17. You're answering right. Nobody is helping you, right? See, you're not sending homework, Joanna. If you send homework, I can see the steps. I'll get to know whether you have understood. Then after this, what's the next step? Answer, Joanna, and let me. Yes, Joanna answer. No, no, let Joanna answer. Tell me, Joanna. Okay, minus 1, minus 17, you told me. After that? Yes, Joanna, what do you do after this? Can you unmute and answer? Next, after this? Yes, after this? No, Lemula, I'm asking Joanna Lemula. What's the answer, Joanna? You're asking me question again. I'm asking you the answer. You're not confident with your answers. Just giving some guesswork. I don't know who's helping you, Joanna. Any of your friends are sending the answers? Then, what is this guesswork? Even last year we did this. Only if you know this, you can do the first exercise. If you're doing not confident about the answers, if you take so long, I have a doubt, Joanna. Somebody is helping you. Your friends sending answers, texting. I don't know what's happening. What's the common value, students? Fine, Joanna. If you want concentrate, take the notes or your wish. X into x minus 1. Uh, Take the first sign. Minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then x minus 1 into x minus 17 is equal to 3. Take these two things. X minus 1 is equals to 0. X minus 17 is equals to x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 17. Somebody had written minus 17. Was it Ivania, Adia, Naomi? I'm asking. Somebody had written minus 17. Can you check? Mariana, both positive. Okay, both are positive. Next question. We'll solve the next 10th one. Look, students, I'm teaching you all. I'm trying to help you all out. If you're really interested, you'll attend the class, concentrate, do the homework. Okay. If not, tell your parents and you can stop attending. Why do you want to waste fees? You're wasting your time. Every day I can't keep asking homework question, test papers, attend on time to answer the questions, to concentrate. My work is to teach. That's it. I can just teach you all and help you out. If you'll have any doubts, I can conduct test, can make you all score good marks. If you'll cooperate, if you'll send all the answers, I mean test paper homeworks, you can score well. So I have to teach, send message to or make you all attend on time, ask for homework. What is all this? How do you solve this 3x square minus 5x is equals to 0? Try this question, all of you. We don't have any constant. Take common factor from this. All of you will try the 10th one. Do you have all the questions in this, or any question is cancelled? What is common here? X is common. X into 3x minus 5 is equals to 0. Use zero product rule, students. Look here. There are two values here. These are the two factors. X is equals to what? 0 is 1, and next take this and substitute. That's it. We have two products. I mean two factors. Next question. Try the next one, 11th one. X plus 3 into x minus 3 is equals to 27. See, right hand side you shouldn't have any numbers. Right hand side you should have only 0. What will you do with this 27? You have to shift it to the left hand side. Before that, can you see here these two? How do they look like? What is a plus b into a minus b? X square minus 3 square. Bring this minus 27 this side is equal to 0. X square minus, write this using a square minus b square. X square minus 9 minus 27. X square. How much is minus 9 minus 27? X square minus 36. Do you all remember this? When there are two values and there is a square, how do you solve this? These type of question, how do you factorize? Is there anything common? Yes, I want you all to answer. Naomi, Ivania, Charisha, Adia. Nothing is common. So when nothing is common, if you have two values, students, if you have two values, degree 2, and if there is minus, we try to use a square minus b square concept. X, for x there is already a square given. For x there is already a square. This 36 you have to convert. Is 36 a perfect square? Yeah. How can I write 36 as x square is equals to 0? What is a square minus b square here? X plus 6 into x minus 6 is equals to 0. We have two equation. X plus 6 is equals to 0. X minus 6 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 6. X is equals to plus 6. Yes, Mariana. It doesn't? No, no, it's not like that. It can have, it has to have degree 2. That's it, Mariana. If it doesn't have one more x, doesn't matter. Okay. Any quadratic equation should have degree 2, x square. If x square is given, that is enough. Is it clear? Yeah, who asked? Mariana, right? What is your doubt, Mariana? Can you tell me again? What's your doubt? Problem. Look here. This is must, students. The first value is must. You should have x square value. Fine. What's the main concept of this quadratic equation, Mariana? How many x will have how many degrees? X should have how many values? Two values. So only if there is x to the power of 2, you'll have two values, right? For x, you'll have two values. Hmm? So if this bx is not given, no problem. Sometimes constant also not be given, no problem. Look, in previous question, we didn't have any constant. Did we have any constant in the 10th question? Tell me, Mariana, did we have any constant? There was only first and second value given. No problem. Only with these two you can solve. The first one is mandatory. Second one, third one, it can be given. Even if it's not given, you can solve it. Yes, this is how you do it. And look here, I'll give you a few examples. If you want to factorize 2 and 3 values, students, 2 or 3 values. All of you have completed this? All of you have done? Look here. Now, there are few questions where if 4 values are given, we use bracket method and we factorize. Next, if only 2 values are given, x square minus 14 will be given. Sorry, x square minus 81 y square will be given. You'll have questions like this where you have to use a square minus b square concept. Okay. If not, x cube minus 64 x cube plus 64. Fine. These are the types of questions you'll get, students. A square minus b square, you'll have question. Which formula can we use here? There is a cube here. So which formula can we use? Cube and minus, we can use a cube minus b cube. And for this, we can use a cube plus b cube. Okay, how do you convert this first question? X square, x the whole square minus. How do you convert this 81 y square? Naomi, mute and respond. 9 into y the whole square. Now what's the answer? X plus 9y into 9. Now cube. You'll have cube question. Look, for all this, there is no second x value. There is no x value, Mariana. Can you see there's only degrees given? Oh, no, x cube you won't get, students. X cube, yeah, you will get x cube as well. Like this. If you get it like this, what's the formula for a cube minus b cube? What's the formula I've given? A cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square minus, not plus ab, it is minus ab. Mostly you won't get this because the cube is 3. I mean the degree is 3. Fine. So you won't get this. Ignore. Just a square minus b square. Concentrate on a square minus b square. Next question. Yeah, Joanna, did you understand? Are you there online? Have you completed? Which one you didn't understand, Joanna? Which part? Why you're not able to answer? Tell me which part. Try the next one, students. All of you try the next one. Wait, I'll tell you which one to try. 12th one, 30. 216 is given. 216 you have to factorize. 216. Okay, skip the 12th one. Try the 13th one. 12x square plus 29x plus 14 is equals to 0. What's the first step? Which two you have to multiply? According to sum and product, you have to multiply 12x square into 14. 12 into 14. See, through this I'll give you all students. You don't need to multiply 12 into 14, entire 12 into 14. What's the middle term you have to get? When you add them, what you have to get? Yes, 29. When you add or multiply, you should get 29. When you multiply, you should get 12 into 14. Now, instead of multiplying 12 into 14, what are the factors of 14? Tell me the factors of 14. 1 into 14 and 2 into 7. Tell me for 12. 2 into 6. 1 into 12. 3 into 4, right? Okay, now 27. Look here, 27. Or if you take 14 into 12, you get 168. Okay, take multiply 12 into 14. Find the factors because this is lengthy. Again, here each and every value I'll have to check. Multiply 12 into 14. Find the factors. How much is 12 into 14? What did you all get? 168. Yeah, find the factors of 168, students. 1 into 168. Next. 84. Next. 3 doesn't go right. Or okay, 3 get multiplied. 3 into. See, how will you all check whether 3 gets divided? 1 the 3 5 are 15. What's the remainder? In 16, if 15 goes 1. Then we have 18 here. 18 into 4, 4 into 52. 5 doesn't go. Even 6 doesn't go, right? 7 into. Yes. Into. Okay. Into 28. Next. 7 into. 7 into 24. Then try 8 students. See, 7 into 24. As you try, keep checking. See, 7 into 24. When you add 7 and 24, what is the value? No, no. For this, Adya, for 7 into 24, when you add and subtract, what do you get? The value, student. You should get, you get 17, right? And when you add, what do you get? When you add, you'll get 31. You need 29. So 7 cannot, you can't take 7. Next, what about 8 students? 8 into how many times? 8 into 21. Add and subtract. If you add, are we getting 29? 8 and 21, right? Okay, Joanna, did you understand? Can you tell me what logic we have applied here? Tell me what we have understood. See, I know you're not feeling well. You just answer one question, Joanna. Rest of the questions you don't have to answer. You can just solve. Tell me one question. How do we start solving this? How do you try? First, how many terms are there? Others completed students. Whoever got 1 minute, 1 minute. Whoever got to know the answer completed. Yes, tell me, Joanna. Total how many terms are there? If there are 3 terms, what do we do? No, not find out middle term. If there are 3 terms, yes. Why do you factorize? In order to split into how many terms? 2 terms. So that you'll get how many terms? 4. No, no. We have 3. If you split the middle term, you'll get 4 terms, right? Then you'll have to group 2. Okay. All these are scoring chapters, Joanna. Other chapters you skip. If you're feeling tough, you skip. Okay. All these are scoring chapters. If you're not able to do this, definitely it's going to be difficult, students. Okay, now tell me, I have to split the middle term. So what I have to do? You should always multiply the first and only the numbers you have to multiply. Take 14 and 12. What's the value? 168. Now I've written all the factors. 1 into 168, 2 into 84, 3 into 56, up to 8. Usually up to 9 we have to find. Clear? Sometimes 11 and 12. Sometimes you have to use even 11 and 12. Now after this, what's the next step? See, this is known as product. What's the method known as? Product sum. Yes. What do you mean by product? Product is known as multiplication. Okay, now we multiplied, right? We multiplied and got all these factors. Okay, now product is done. Now we have to go with sum. Sum is nothing but we have so many pairs, 1 into 168, 2 into 84. In which one you multiply or subtract, you'll get 29. You have to check that. You should get plus 29. What about 2 and 84? Do you add and subtract, do you get 29? Joanna should answer, others solve it. When I ask others, nobody is responding. If I particularly call out a student's name, then everyone starts to answer. Yeah, tell me, Joanna, 3 and 56. When you add and subtract, what do you get? Yeah, what do you get when you add and subtract? 56 minus 3 is 53. And when you subtract it, when you add it, what do you get? 59. We need 29. What about 4 and 42? No. 6 and 28? Correct. 7. How much is 7 plus 24? 7 plus 24 is 31, right? It is 31. It doesn't go 20. We need 29. What about 8 and 21? What are the two values? Add 8 and 21. Get 29. So take 8 and 21. What are the 4 signs we have in maths? What are the different combination? Minus minus, plus 8 plus 21, minus 8 plus 21 and plus 8 minus 20. Out of these four, which combination will give 29? Plus 8 plus 21 will give. So write the first value as it is. What will you write here? Plus 8x. Tell me. Plus 8x plus 21x plus 14 is equals to 0. Next, group these two. Now tell me, how do you factorize this? You have to check the common value. First, look at the numbers. First, look at the numbers, not alphabets. 12 and 8. In 12 and 8, which is common? No, you can't randomly take numbers like that, Joanna. You can't, whatever you feel, you can't take. You should factorize. 2 into 4 is 8. Next, 2 into, next, anything common? No, right? So what's the highest common factor? You have to multiply these two. What do you get? 3. What is this, Joanna? 2 into 2 is 4. If you don't even this, it's very tough. Then what about alphabets? X square and x. Which one has least degree? X has least degree. How do you take the, now this is the common value. How do you factorize this? Tell me the next one. First one I taught, second one you tell me, be quick. 7 common. Very good. 7. Next. Not x, not x. 3x plus 2. Here the concept is definitely the first and second bracket would be same. They'll be same, right? This is the concept. Okay, one more thing, students. One more thing. Look here. All of you will concentrate. Look at the screen. Plus 7 is given. 2 minus 3x. Are they same or different? Bracket. All of you will answer. Bracket value same or different? Different. How do you make it same? How do you make it same? Change the sign for which one? Which bracket is different? First bracket or second bracket? So this entire second thing. Very good. 4x plus 3x plus 2. Keep it as it is. Plus 7 will become minus 7. Then you can write 3x plus. Okay, you can write it as 3x plus 2. You have to change the signs. That's it. And write whatever is given in the bracket. I don't know which question you'll get like this value, where you have to change the sign to make it equal. Now you get plus 7 into 3x plus 2. What is common, Joanna? Be quick. What is common to them? Is equals to. Now, what did I tell you all for zero product rule, students? What's zero product rule? A into B. If you multiply any two values is equals to 0, take the first one. A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 0. Right? Here in place of A and B, what are the values given, Joanna? What are the two values we have? In place of A, we have 3x plus is equals to 0. You have to take it like this, and 4x plus 7 is equals to 0. Next, how do you solve for x? Yes, be quick. How do you solve? Minus 2, x is equals to minus 2 by 3. Here, x is equals to, okay, tell me direct value. Minus 7 divided by 4. All of you got this answer? Yes, all of you got the answer? Clear? Understood all of you? Okay, Joanna, did you understand? Yeah, one question I've taught Joanna. If I keep teaching each and every question like this, will we be able to complete the portions? Tell me, Joanna. Oh, right. So even you should understand. Okay, only one thing I can teach. Remaining, you'll have to put interest, solve it. If you have any doubts, get it clarified. Sometimes Mariana will ask Adya, Ivania, these three students, or Tanishka. Other students are just silent. Okay, complete it. We'll try the next one. Make it quick. You all have to understand, students. Maybe one or two questions I can teach. Remaining, you all have to put effort. Try to solve. And you all should have the thought. You should actually all should have the guilt. Because of one student, you all should think about others. If I teach one student like this, others are getting affected. The reason is you all are not concentrating. So I have to spend 5 or 10 minutes extra for solving one question. Okay, so complete it. Solve the homework question. Solve the homework question, you'll get to know. What about Cherisha? Is Cherisha online? See, if you don't understand absent students, I'll take special class. No problem. Saturday, Sundays, I'll teach. You don't hesitate. I'll take special class. Okay, that is, if you don't understand, I can teach. All these are easy questions. Problem is, you're not concentrated. Busy with some other work. Okay, before trying the next question, I'll tell you one more thing. If you're just copying, see, if you concentrate and if you try to copy whatever I write, okay, same thing if you're copying, you know what to write. Right? There is a difference. You know what to write. But when you do it by yourself, you know how to do it. You know how to do it. How to do the question. There is a difference between what and how. What is just basic quest steps. Okay, I can help you. I can teach you what has to be written like this. So you'll have to understand this difference. So I'll explain what are the steps required, what are the formulas. I'll explain. The more you'll practice, you'll get used. When you start writing, you'll get to know how to do it. Fine. There is a difference between what to write and how to write. These are the different steps you'll have to write. Keep practicing. You'll definitely at the end of this week you'll get to know. You'll get used to it. Okay. By then, by another 1 or 2 days, we'll complete all the types of different types of questions. I'll complete. So that's the difference. After teaching, don't copy. Don't copy. Y'all try to do it. Fine. I'll try to. I mean, I'll skip few questions. Give it for homework. You'll try that. Which one did we solve? 12th, 13th one, 14th one. It's the same. 14, 15, 16. Okay. 14th question. Can you tell me how should I write the equation, students? Tell me the direct equation. How should I write this 14th one equation? All of you will unmute and answer. First 2x square. Yes, 2x square. Next is equals to 0. Then multiply 2 into 39 and solve it. Next. Tell me the next one. 15th one. How should I write the equation? 10x square. 15th question. Minus 9x is equals to 0. Okay. Even this is same. Easy concept. 16th question. What about 16th? 15x square. Next. Not plus x. How can it be minus x minus equal to 0? Say multiply 15 into 8. You'll get factors. Okay. Next one. 17th one. 8x square 26x plus. Okay. Try this 17th one, all of you. Skip the other questions. It's the same. 29. This is the question. Okay, Cherisha, can you answer one question? I want to know whether you understood the concept. What do you do after this? Is Cherisha online? Tell me, Cherisha. Correct. So even you're not feeling well, still not recovered. 8 into 15. How much is 8 into 15? Completed. Okay, tell me one question, student. Enough. I'll get to know whether you understood or not. 120. Next, what's the next step? Factors. Yes. B equals 1 into 120, 2 into 60, 3 into 3 into 40, 4 into 30, 5 into 24. Okay, 5. 6 into 6 into 20. Keep checking as you solve. Check the combination, students. As you solve, just check 1 into 120. Are we getting minus 26, Charisha? How come 1 into 20? No. Next, 2 into 60. When you add and subtract, see, quickly you'll have to think. When you add 2 and 60, what do you get? Yes, Charisha, when you add, you get 62. When you subtract, 58. What about 3 and 40? See, tell me the two values. When you add and subtract, what do you get? You get 43 and 37. Not possible, right? Which of these values are possible? What about 4 and 30? 6 and 20? Okay, which combination gives 6 and 20? 6 and 20. Minus 6, minus 20. Good. Complete it. All of you will complete this, student. Yes, tell me, Charisha. 8 into x square minus 6x minus. Okay, next. Group the term like this. What is common? 8 and 6. Which method we use to find 8 and 6? We use HCF, highest common factor method, right? Like this. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Anything common for 4 and 3? Nothing. 2x. The remainder? Okay, next one. What's the first sign we have? What's the first sign? Minus. Next. Very good. Next. Is equals to 0. Next. Correct, correct. Is equals to 0 and 2x minus 5 is equals to. Okay, tell me the direct answer for x. 3 would go the other side and 4 gets divide. This side 5 by 2. Okay, all of you are done, completed the answer. See, all these are easy questions, students. Good. If you'll answer like this, that's it. We can complete. We can be like we can complete the portions on time. Next 16. Which one is the 17th is done? What's the time? Fine. Take break. We'll continue at 7:05. Yes, students. Shall we try the next one? All of you. Which question we have done? 17th. Okay. 18th. 19th. Fine. 19th. You all can skip. 20th question. Look at 20th. We have two equations. Solve both the equation and write it in terms of ax square plus bx. Okay, solve this equation. Yes, Naomi, explain this. What you get? 6 into 3 is minus. Convert all this. What you get? 18x square minus. Hmm. Then what are the like terms? What are the like terms? These two. Yeah, what is 18? Yeah, minus 21 plus minus 42 plus 21. Add and subtract. See, until you get this equation, you have to keep solving, students. We need only 3. Minus 49 as it is. Yes, Naomi, is it plus 21 minus 21? What did you get? Minus 42 plus 21 minus 21x. Okay, try this question, students. Multiply first and last one. Minus 49 into 18. Multiply minus 49 into 18. After 100, 882. Minus, so 1 into 882, 2 into 441, 3 into, completed. Okay, this part is lengthy, right? Did you get the answer? Hmm? Doing it. Okay, complete. Okay, I think you won't get students. Are you getting any value till 8, 9? Did you all try? 8, 9. Yes, why no response? Tell me, I'll teach you the other way. You didn't get right? It's going to be too lengthy. If you're not getting the answer, I'll tell you one method. Look here. Which do you have to multiply? All of you will stop writing. Look at the screen. Most important question. Which do we have to multiply? 18 and 18 into 14, and keep 18 into 14 and take this middle term. What's the value? Yeah, just 21. What are the factors of 21? 1 into 21 and 3 into 7. So we have 3 and 7. Split this in terms of 3 and 7. How can you split 49? Can I write 7 into 7? And okay, next 3 into 3 into 6. So consider these two are one pair, student. Left hand side, right hand side. See, cancel 1 3. This side 1 3 gets cancelled. Next 7 and 7 gets cancelled. What are the numbers left? 6 sevens are 42. Keep this number and take this one. What are the numbers we have cancelled? Tell me the numbers we have cancelled. 3 and 7. How much is 3 into 7? 21. Which combination will give minus 21? Are we getting the answer? When you multiply, what are we getting? Check, multiply 22 and 41. 2 ones are 2. 1 fours are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are is the same value we got when you multiply 18 and 42. Is it easy now to solve? Yeah, can you tell me again, students, what did we do? We took the middle term and split into 3 into 7 so that we can cancel out 3 and 7. Don't take 1 and 21. The factors of 21 is 1 into 21, 3 into 7. If not, it's very tough question. You have to find factors all the way up to 21, which is not impossible. Okay, next. We have 3 here. So I want you all to split this 18 in terms of 3. What do you get? 3 into 6. So for 3 and 3, 3 would get cancelled. Next, we have 7. For 7, I want you all to split 49. What do you get? 7 into 7. Okay, 1 7 goes and 1 3. What are the numbers left? 6 sevens are 7, 42. Then what are the common values we had? What are the common values? 21. 3 sevens are 21. So put plus minus, minus 42, minus 21, plus all these things. Which combination will give you minus 21 students? See, one more thing. I have taken 42 and 21. What is the sign we have here? Positive or negative? So which one should be greater? 42 should be greater or 21? I mean, which value should be minus here? The greater value should be minus? That's the logic. So if you know the logic, you don't have to solve each and every step. Day by day, you have to improve like this. Then put plus here. You know, if you put minus, it goes to 63. You'll get 63 as the answer. But so put plus. These are the two values. I think we already had that answer top, right? In the previous line. Here, can you see? Okay, only for this question, I don't. Yeah, we'll see for the next question whether we already have the answer or what. Okay, 18x square minus 42x plus 21x minus 49 is equals to 0. Actually, we shouldn't have done like this, students. It was a very simple question. I made it complicated. Okay, you'll solve this. You'll solve. What is the common factor here for 18 and 42? Start with 2. 2 nines are 18. 2 21s are next. 3 threes are 3 sevens are. What is common? 6x. And what's the value you get? Three x minus 7. Here what do we get, students? Here 7 is common, plus 7. 3x minus 7. Within 2 steps we would have got the answer, but fine. You'll understand now. I'll teach this. Within 2 steps you'll get the answer. Okay, what is common again? 3x minus 7 into 6x plus 7 is equals to 0. So can you tell me the direct value for x, students? What are the two values for x? From the first one, what will we get from the first one? Minus 7 goes to the other side. Yes, unmute and answer, all of you all. You should get 7 by. And for the second one, minus 7 by 6. Understood how to solve? All of you got the answer? Right? But see, this is how you do it. I'll tell you how to do it directly. This question, actually, you should have done it directly. See, this question, the first line itself is 6x into 3x minus 7. Shift this entire thing to the other side. What do you get? Minus 7 into, in bracket, what do we have? What do you have in the bracket? 7 minus 3x. Look at the bracket and tell me, are they same or different? What has to be done? Look at the bracket value. Signs to be same. What do you get? 3x minus 7. What do you get here? 7, 3x minus. Can you see we directly got this step? Right? So do you think factorization is required here? All this is not required. All this is not required. Okay. So this is the step. We could have directly written it like this. Like this. Anyways, I've taught you if you have greater numbers, you'll understood how to factorize. If you have big numbers like this, yeah, we learned how to factorize. But anyways, you are supposed to solve it like this, Within 2 steps, you'll get the answer. These are the final answers. Okay, because of solving in that way, I've taught you how to factorize greater values. Okay, once if you have done that, beside this, you'll write it. Mark this as important. Even in exam, try to check the brackets first. If brackets are different, change the sign. Change the sign and solve it. Completed? All of you understood? Joanna, Cherisha, done? Okay. Naomi, Mariana, did you all understand? Adya, Tanya? Well done it? Okay. Next question. Which one is this? 20th. Next one. Whatever we skipped, I'll give few for questions to homework. Okay, try it for homework. 20 is done. From 21, 21, 22. From 21, 22, we'll try tomorrow, students. We'll try tomorrow. Is it clear? Okay. One question. See, we'll simultaneously do this. We just keep solving 5A. It's of no use. You'll hardly get one question. Remember 5A and 5B. You'll get any one question either from 5A and 5B. But you have to use factorization or what you call this formula method. Now tell me formula method. For formula method, first we use the basic formula. What's the basic quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. And usually what are the two values we have for x, students? For x, what are the two values we have? I mean, how many values we'll have? We'll have two values. Depends on the degree. We'll use formula method. What is the formula here? X is equals to minus b. How many of you will remember this? Minus b plus minus b square minus by 2. Make a note of this. All of you will make a note of this. I'll solve one question. You'll try one question for homework. Let me take second one. 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equals to 0. Take down the formula. 1 minute. Okay. Take down this formula. Last 2-3 minutes, students. Be quick. I will written the formula, all of you all. Yeah, memorize this. Every day we'll solve one question from two questions from both exercise. Minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now, this is the question given. Is it arranged in order? All of you unmute and answer, students. Is it arranged in order? Yes, can you all unmute and answer? Is it arranged in order? Alright, how to arrange it? Whichever has degree 2, 9x square. Next, minus 7x minus is equals to 0. Compare the values. What is a in this? 9. What is b? Yes, take with the positive sign. If it is minus, take minus. B is equals to 7. C, minus 2 or plus 2? It is minus 2. X is equals to minus 7 plus minus b square. How much is b square, students? 7 7 the 49. Minus 4 into 9 into minus divided by 9. Minus 7 plus minus. Calculate this, all of you all. Minus into minus is plus. Calculate 4 into 9 into 2. See, this chapter is like a simultaneous linear inequation chapter, students. Very easy to score full marks. Linear inequation you'll get for 3 or 4 marks. Quadratic equation you'll get for 3 or 4 marks. So total 7 to 8, it's very easy. One of the easiest chapters after probability. And probability, add another 3 marks. Okay, so project 20 and chapters like these are very easy. Easily you'll get 10 marks. And banking, even banking is easy. Okay, what's the answer for this? Plus 4 2s are 8, 8 9s are 72 divided by 80. Minus 7 plus minus. Add 49 plus 72, students. How much is 49 plus 72? 121. What's the square root of 121? Be quick, all of you will unmute and answer. Square root of 121 is 11. Can you see? I've split the equation. All of you understood this? Do you all remember? We solved in banking. See, it is simple now. Actually in banking we solve few tough questions, students. In banking we have solved few tough questions. In actual quadratic, you'll get easy values. Okay, here square root of 121 was easy, 11. If you get larger values, which method we use to find? Long division. Very good, long division. Then split the values, one positive, one negative. You'll get 4 by 18. The answer is 2 by 9. Here you'll get minus 18 by 8. The answer is minus 1. Okay, I'll end the meeting. We'll continue tomorrow. All of you understood this? I'll give one question for homework, students.